Put it on. Put it in. Here, cheese. Hey.
He's like, don't touch my tampon. It's so weird, just the fact she's playing with a tampon. The sad thing is this is going dead and I can't even charge it.
Yeah, Daddy's phone, he forgot his charger here, so he didn't get to charge it. It was a miracle that it went off this morning. She's packing him up.
She's like, get on the windowsill.
Here you go.